Alright folks, let's get these subwoofers out of the box. Oh, a box within a box, my favorite. Alright, so what we have is the Rockville 8 ohm RVW1800P8, 1800 watts peak power, 900 watts RMS from what I saw online. Now these are supposed to be PA speakers meant for you know, the big PA cabinets that DJs would use, or any kind of home theater maybe. I got these for my car audio system as temporary fill-ins until I get my FI subs in. Now when I tried to put the specs in to the subwoofer box building program, these are what I used right here. And the thing, when I built the box based on these specs, it said that it required a box of 45,000 square feet, or cubic feet, sorry. And I think the reason they do that is because the VAS, they have in meters, which is meters cubed, on the speaker building program. And I don't think that's an accurate number, because there's no way that anybody would be able to build a 45 cubic foot speaker box for two 18-inch subwoofers. So anyway, without further ado, let's get this guy out of here. Pretty good packaging from the factory. Sorry, I don't have a stand for my phone. Just bear with me here. Alright, so we got, there's the speaker. It's got a nice shiny paper cone. It's got the old school Pro Audio 3-rib surround. Nice thick padding here. When you come down to the magnet, it's a single stack magnet, 90 ounces, I believe is what it said in the manual. There's the bottom, big vent hole. And then you got these screw speaker terminals, which I'm not a fan of. I think these are made for those home audio plugs that go in, the metal ones that go in. But these, I've used these before on car audio with just wire, and it seems to be okay. But all in all, not too bad. These should be a decent addition to my current build. And just as a quick look, they drop right in. Awesome. And ta-da! So you can kind of see, of course, these magnets don't go down nearly as much as the FI car audio ones. The FI audio subs are going to be probably down to around here. They're freaking huge. But, you know, not too shabby. But time to get these things screwed in and thumping. Laters.